Imagine you are sitting in a high stakes entrance exam. You flip the page and you see this x is equal to x plus 1. At first glance, it looks like a typo. Your brain immediately says, that's impossible. But in the world of competitive testing, things are really what they seem. Is this a trick, a mistake, or a test of how you define equals? If we treat this as a standard algebra equation, we turn into a brick wall. If we subtract x from both sides to isolate the variable, the x cancel out entirely. We are left with the since
Statement
0
is equal to
obviously
1.
does not equal 1. We can call this an inconsistent equation. In the pure math context, there is a no finite number that satisfies this. It is a dead end. But here where it goes interesting. If this were a computer science entrance exam, this is not a mistake. It is one of the most common lines of code ever written. In programming, the equal sign does not mean is equal to. It is an assignment operator. It tells the computer, look at the current value of x, add 1 to it, and save that new result back into the variable x. It is not an equation, it is an instruction to grow. But if we go back to pure math, is there any scenario where this works? Well, if we step up from standard integers and look at infinity, the rules change. In set theory, if we have an infinite set and add one more element, the size or cardinality remains the same. So infinity is equal to infinity plus 1 is not just a meme, it is a realm of transfinite numbers. It is a mathematical reality. So the next time you see this absurd equation, ask yourself, am I a mathematician, a coder, or am thinking about the infinite?